You asked, how to divide 2562 by 6 using the long division method. 2 is too small. Use 25. 25 divided by 6 equals 4. 4 times 6 equals 24. 25 minus 24 equals 1. Bring down 6, making 16. 16 divided by 6 equals 2. 2 times 6 equals 12. 16 minus 12 equals 4. Bring down 2, making 42. 42 divided by 6 equals 7. 7 times 6 equals 42. 42 minus 42 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 427.